Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to replace our spare carrier mechanism and this Kia Sorento. So if your car look like this, it doesn't matter, it's going to be the same procedure. So down here is your spare. You would have to take this out to get to your spare. I guess you gotta get like a quarter or something. That's kind of dumb. Why not make something in the spare itself I can take it off? Like make something in the spare kit itself I can take it off. Or maybe they do. This don't fit there. This don't fit here, in there. Let's see what's in this one. This don't fit either, so that don't work. Maybe something was here that could have worked. So if you don't have that, you can get it like a quarter. That's like that. It's time to go underneath the car. So I'm gonna take this out right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12 millimeter. So whatever you have to take it out, whether you have a ratchet handle or a drill, you can use that. There you go. The compressor one will be great. Here's the parts. You see the part number is right here. So that's the part number right there, and this is the part. And they call it carrier assembly. So I guess it's spare tire carrier. Because carrier assembly, that's what the ASSI stand for. So let's go ahead and hook it back up underneath. So you just want to catch the rest of those screws up. So guys, this is the finished product. This was missing on the other one, so that's why we changed it. But that's what it looked like. So let's go on top. So we up top, this is here and it's sealed properly, so that's good. We have to lower it down and put the spare tire on. Alright guys, so we have our spare tire. Have that hooked up. Have this hooked up. I'm gonna wind it up. Just like this. So guys, this will be the end of the video. Please go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.